How to copy your Instagram account link. In this short video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you're able to copy your Instagram account link. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first way I'm going to show you is if you open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, you'll see that if you wanted to copy the link of somebody else's profile, all you need to do is tap on that person's profile. And then in the top right hand corner, you tap on the three dots and you've got all these options where you can copy profile URL or you can share this profile. So you can tap on either of those options and you're able to share the link to that person's profile. But if I head over to my own profile, you'll see that we don't actually have that option. So if I tap on those three lines in the top right hand corner, you'll see it's a completely different menu and it doesn't have any of the options to share your own profile. So a workaround to get around this is actually log in as a different person on Instagram and then do a search for your own account and then copy that URL in the same way that I showed you previously. That way you're able to take a copy of the URL and share it wherever you'd like. But one other way that you can actually do this is by heading over to your mobile web browser such as Google Chrome. Log into Instagram and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, you'll be able to take a copy of your Instagram profile link just by tapping in the top bar at the top and then hitting copy next to that link. As you can see, it says link copied. You'll then be able to share that wherever you would like. And that's all it takes to copy your Instagram account link. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.